speeding through space at 108,000 kilometers per hour, making us all the children of speed.
In the skies, we are supersonic. On the land, we drive supercars at 200 kmph. This all is happening. And it's happening with all great creations of man. Alright, so it's clear. In our quest for speed, we are not alone.
Because I'm here now. Hello.
Oh my God. The one and only, not yet.
Not yet, okay. They said
Niharika NM.
I'm gonna let it bang.
Oh, that also looks damn fast, dude. Even when it's standing still. That's
Yes,
crazy.
but going fast when not standing still,
Yeah.
that's saved for if it isn't world's finest, GG. Welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet
Hello.
you. I thought you could have stopped a little further away, but it's okay for build-up if you
Was it?
ran us over also, I guess.
I thought it's okay.
On PowerDrift today, we are going to be pulling off India's fastest drift.
That's amazing. Good for you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go home now.
No, wait, no. Children of speed, hang on. When a car goes sideways, it's called drifting.
Absolutely right.
And so with a playground like this, somebody thought it would be a great idea to go sideways.
That's amazing. Good
That'd
for
be
you
me.
guys.
And today we're going to be drifting at over 200 kilometers an hour while you unbox the OnePlus 11.
Oh, so like when I'm unboxing, you'll drift around me?
No, you'll be in the car with me.
I don't think I'm getting paid enough for this. So, yay! Cars. Lamborghini hi chalai jaane o. Cut karna hai.
We've got a production car. It's not meant to do this. It's meant to go around a racetrack or on a straight as fast as possible. This car doesn't have a handbrake, right? You got to break the traction by putting the car into a Scandinavian flick. You should know how much to put it sideways because you don't want to go out of control at over 200, 210 kilometers an hour because it's not a sweet spot.
A tire burst is the nemesis of what we are here to achieve.
We're a little nervous about everything, but I think we're going to have a kick run and set a record that's not going to be broken for a while.
We know we are safe. We don't know if you have hit the record yet.
I love it! That was so cool! What?
Look at the speed.
Still going when you're finished. And even when we bleed, still believe that we can win this. We got what's underneath. You're all about that image. We never even stop at the top. No limits. The champions.
Speed can take many forms. It can be a super processor or a supercar in motion. Speed is the meaning of life.
Speed is in our DNA. It defines civilizations, shapes creations, inspires us, challenges us, and look, it brings people together. But every once in a while, speed helps us set new records.
We never stop, so going when you finish. And even when we bleed, still believe that we can win this. We got what's underneath, you're all about that image. We never even stop at the top, no limits. Champions, and we're the champions. And we're the champions. And we're the champions. So bring it on.
Twice it went like that.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I'll teach you better.
I'll do well next time, don't worry.
Yeah. I believe in you.
I
Good
know
job.
you do. Thank you. Thanks.
Proud
Yeah.
of you.
Yeah.
Why didn't you say you're proud of me?
You did a good job as well.
Thank you.
Very, very difficult to open
Thank
that
you.
box
Stop.
while
Yeah,
we're
keep
drifting
going.
at over 200 kilometers.
Right?
an hour.
Exactly.
Tough
It's a
job,
skill.
but someone's gonna do it.
Like, open it and all.